It's this part right here we're gonna switch out. Got some busted buttons here. My fingers out of the way. So there's 4 little tabs here you clip, that clips it in. You just gotta get it, kind of pry it out. And then there's this here, this little mechanism. Buttons are all busted. They just keep falling out. But yeah, there's a little spot here that you can just pull this thing out. Let me figure this out. I just did it so easy the other day. There it is. Push this little clip in right here and then pull. Comes right out. Old one. Now we got this. You're gonna make sure it's that 3-prong. If it's the 6th one, then you got the wrong one. And it's about to rain, so I'm gonna try to get this in here quick. This should snap right in. And then turn on the car, see what we got. Just like